working on the XJ again. I got the onboard air compressor in the back now. So trying to figure out how I want to set it up. And then I got to thinking. We all know the best couplers, hoses, blowguns, all that stuff that you can get is Prevost. So I got to thinking, use all the applications in the garage. Why not using the same applications in the XJ? So I reached out to Prevost. All the good couplings, quick disconnects, male, female, cords, anything you need for it, tire gauges, all that good stuff. So basically what I'm going to do is run Prevost in the back of my XJ and hook it all up to the air compressor. So I'll put a link to Prevost webpage at the bottom of this video in the comments. Definitely check them out, whether for auto, home, whatever. I guarantee you won't be disappointed. Great quality equipment, no air leaks, all the right parts. Any questions you call, email them. They will respond and give you all the correct information. They're the real deal. So here is my onboard air compressor. You can see I don't have a valve on it or a coupling. So basically what that is 1/4 inch NFT. So basically I'm going to put a Prevost female coupler in there and run it out so it's more accessible to use for the vehicle. And let me show you the parts that I got. Alright, so to get me started with basically anything I need, here is my 1/4 inch NPT that will screw directly in. This has the quick release button, so you don't have to do all the pull back and all that stuff as you have to do on some of the cheaper connections. So I got this, got the ball bearings inside of it, sealed unit. I probably will put a little bit of tape around the bottom of it just to ensure that it doesn't leak out of the pump. More than enough length to do all 4 of my tires. This compressor is going to be used basically to air down and air up. I have auto lockers in the Jeep, so I don't have air locks hooked up to it, but it has multiple different applications. I can use it to blow up pumps or air mattresses or whatever I need to when I'm out in the woods, camping, what have you. It does come 25 foot. It already does come with another connector on the end of it. Female on this end, and on the other end of the hose it has a male. This is super high flexibility, cold weather rated, warm weather rated. Should actually be phenomenal. I'm going to leave it coiled. I can hook it up onto my Moly panels, so it'll be great. Have it ready, and I will probably use it quite a bit. Tire gauge. So got the tire gauge on here. Very important, so I know where I'm at on running my tires, because a lot of times I will air down when I go into certain areas to get more meat on the ground, and you obviously want to air them back up, or if we have a flat on the trail or what have you. Excellent gauge to have. And then I also got the blowgun. Out on a trail, water distributor, need to blow out your breather box. A lot of different applications you can use this for. So great tool to have in the arsenal in case you're on the trip. Again, I'll post a link to the website below. You can reach out and they will give you, kind of their innovation manual that shows you how everything is, warranties on everything, how the couplings work, all the sizes, parameters, ratings. Excellent communication thus far with them. So not only great quality products, great customer service. So check them out, and I'm going to start putting some of this stuff together. All right, so I put a little bit of plumbing tape on here, and then this just screws in here. Not make it super tight, but want to make it tight enough. And like I said, you've got your quick release here. Turn that around to where it's for the easy access. All right, so got the tire gauge inflator. Super nice. Let me show you the main reason that I like this brand, okay? Everybody knows you usually got to do these with two hands, right? Here's the connector plugged into the jack, right? Quick connect. You don't have to pull anything back. You don't have to do that. You simply push it and it releases. You show me one that's better than that. I don't think there is one. Super nice. 25-foot of cord here. Getting ready to start the Jeep. Air up the tires. Gonna bundle this thing up so I can hook it up on my Moley panels. We're gonna be good to go to hit some trails. Don't worry, you'll see this in use out in the field, I promise you. Check them out. Prevost websites down below in the comments. Stay tuned.